Good morning, NDA. We are the Rivera family, and today we'll be making hummus for my grandmother, Mimi.
Hi, NDA.
Mimi's father, our great-grandfather, was Lebanese, which is why we are celebrating the Lebanese food and culture today. Before we cook, let's get some fun facts about hummus. Hummus is a Middle Eastern dip made from chickpeas blended with tahini, lemon juice, and garlic. In Middle Eastern cuisine, it is usually eaten with pita bread.
That's true. So hummus is the Arabic word for chickpeas. The full name for the dish is actually hummus bi tahina, or chickpeas with tahini. The earliest known written recipes for hummus are recorded in cookbooks written in Cairo in the 13th century.
We're going to start with 2 cans of drained chickpeas, the juice of 2 or 3 lemons, that's right, a half a clove of garlic, and a third of the cup of tahini, which is sesame paste, and some really cold water. First, we're going to start by putting the tahini into your food processor. It's really, really important if you're doing this with, as a kid, that you have what? Parental supervision, right, Logan?
Yes.
Yeah. So you want to do this with a parent because the blade of the food processor can get a little sharp.
Yes, and as well, you can cut your finger.
Yep. Okay, so we're going to put a little bit of garlic in. I usually like to do like a half or a third of the garlic clove because more and you get hummus breath. Okay, so we're going to blend this just like that. And as it's blending, we're going to add the juice. Then we're going to add a little bit of water. The water's going to help make it like very creamy. We could probably add the chickpeas. So we're going to put the whole 2 cans of the drained chickpeas right in the food processor. And then do you want to push the on? There we go. And this is going to go for a while. But sometimes you want to have another lemon. You want to juice that? Perfect. Okay, shall we try it?
Yeah.
Okay, how about some for you? Do you want to try it, Lila?
Sure.
Wonderful.
I want to try it.
Okay, the cameraman wants to try it. A bit of salt. Here, you put the salt in. Just to start with a pinch. A little bit of salt. Okay. One more. Too bad Mimi can't taste this.
I know, I'm waiting for my taste.
There we go, I think it's done. So that's hummus but tahini. Thanks everybody for joining us in the kitchen today.
Bye, guys.